Presenting the Tygot adjustable aluminium alloy tripod stand holder, which is perfect for mounting your mobile phones and camera. The box includes a tripod, a bag and a holder. This black light-weighted tripod weighs just 300 grams with 34.5 by 6 by 6 centimeters in dimension, makes it easy to carry along. It's made from the premium aluminium alloy, which gives a stronger stability. The phone bracket is adjustable and with automatic elastic stretch can clip 5.4 to 8.8 centimeters width phone. With standard tripod hole, you can install in any 1 by 4 inch tripod stand. The three-way head of the tripod helps with 360-degree swivel function for the best orientation of the camera. It's compatible with all range of smartphones and cameras. The tripod is equipped with level tester, which helps in detecting and adjusting the position of it. This 4-section lever lock legs ensure stability on all surfaces. It can hold up to a maximum of 2 kilograms of weight. Leg height can be individually adjusted or raised to the full height of 105 centimeters. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.